everyone, and welcome to ARA Kitchen. Today, we'll be doing a kitchen tour. First, we have the dining area. Our dining table is a 6-chair dining table with a marble tabletop. Next, we have the actual kitchen. Our kitchen is very spacious and is an open kitchen. This is the backyard door. This leads to our backyard. And for the kitchen, we have installed marble flooring. First, we will start off with the cabinets and drawers. We chose an oak wood. It is a very rich and dark brown wood, which looks amazing in kitchens. For the countertops, we have installed a very rich, expensive marble. It is very shiny, very smooth, very beautiful. Next, we have our 2-in-1 microwave and oven that is from Samsung, and our fridge that is also from Samsung. This 2-in-1 oven is also an amazing tool. It can connect to Wi-Fi, it can tell you the time, and it has many other features, including a self-clean feature. This fridge is also a very good fridge if you are looking for a big double-door fridge in a kitchen. Next is our stove. This stove uses gas. This stove is also from Samsung. It has fans and it has light, so it's easier for us to cook. This stove has 5 openings for us to cook, so we can cook 5 things at a time. This stove is very efficient. These cabinets and shelves really help us with organization. It really helps us organize many of the foods, so it's easier for us to find. These cabinets are very spacious and very helpful when we are in need of cooking. Next, we have the sink. This double sink is very efficient. It has 2 separate sinks that you can use to clean your dishes, cook, etc. Now we have our dishwasher. This dishwasher is also from Samsung. It is a very efficient and amazing dishwasher. The kitchen is very good and such a spacious spot for everything. Lastly, we have our lights. Our lights are very beautiful. This is it for our kitchen tour. Hope you liked it. It is an amazing kitchen, and if you are looking for a renovation to your kitchen, this could be an exemplar to show your construction workers. It is a very amazing kitchen, very modern, very warm. This is it for our house tour. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and comment if you want a house tour next, because we will be doing a house tour next. See you guys later. Bye!